Hi guys, welcome to Disney trip day 1. If you haven't watched my travel day vlog, make sure you go back and watch that so you can watch the series from the beginning. But I just woke up, showered, ate breakfast at the Spring Hill Suites Marriott by MCO Airport, and I'm going to fix the face and get ready for the day. We're working with hotel lighting, but it's so surreal to be here now and like vlogging this. Like I'm literally in Orlando, Florida right now, and I'm heading to Lake Buena Vista today to go to Disney World. That's just so surreal to me. So our plans for today is I am at an airport hotel, as I mentioned. I am only about 8 minutes away, so once Bridget has her bag, I will go and pick her up, and then once I pick her up, we're gonna go to Publix to grab a case of water. From there, we're going to go to Panera or something like that just to have lunch. See if our hotel room's ready. Resort reveal, I mean, it's probably in the caption of this vlog, but regardless, we're gonna go to our resort. If the resort isn't ready, then we're just gonna head straight to Typhoon Lagoon. I feel like I could definitely run out to Publix now or whatever and grab a case of water, even if it's at a gas station, but honestly, there's just something so special about going to those kinds of places with your bestie, and I just kind of want to chill. I live in Eastern, well no, I live in Central time zone and this is Eastern, so everything's like an hour ahead for me. So when I woke up at like 7:45, it was really 6:45, and while I wake up at 7 a.m. every day, it's still just a little like difficult for me. And especially being pregnant, I just want to take it easy and not overdo myself. But I'm going in with this CC Plus Natural Matte. This one has been like my holy grail recently when I want more of like a full coverage look. I like it because it has SPF 40 in it, so I'm protecting the face in the Florida heat. You might be asking yourself, Megan, why are you doing makeup when you're going to be going to the pool or a water park? But I just feel like I'm the type of person who just really enjoys doing their makeup, even if I'm just going to be taking it off to go to the pool or the water park later. I just find that it's, you know, a little bit more humaning. Like I feel more human when I have my makeup done. So we just got our room ready text at like 9:10 in the morning. So now the plan is to pick up Bridget when she lands, which she's about an hour from landing, head to Publix, grab water, head to Panera, and then we are going to go to the room and then Typhoon Lagoon. Just on my FaceTime with Sean. Sean, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Bridget is literally minutes from landing. Ooh, lighting. So we are heading to the airport in just a couple minutes to grab her. Also, if you need an airport hotel to stay at, I highly recommend this because it is super comfortable. Like I really enjoyed the bed, passed out literally within minutes and stayed asleep all night. Also, I forgot to mention, if you're not renting a car, they have a free airport shuttle here, so it's a perfect you know, alternative if you're not doing a rental car when you arrive or go home from Orlando. Show y'all my morning outfit. So I have this Zella dress. It's just an athletic dress from Nordstrom. Cute little baby bump going on there. Socks, I mean, it's really basic. I just wanted an easy kind of outfit for this morning before we head to the water park. The sunnies are on. The Magic Band is on. I went with the classic. Like it was like the pink that came out in 2018 when I was on my college program. So I'm literally about to go get Bridget. I know I keep saying that, but like she's my soul sister. We've known each other since 2007. It's 2025, so that's quite a while, and she's turning 30 on Sunday, so it's just a really exciting time for us. We do this girls trip once a year, and now that I'm pregnant and have a baby boy, I just don't know when I'm going to be able to do something like this again once he makes his debut later this summer. But yeah, let's go. I'm in the rental car going to get Bridget, so I don't know the next time you'll see us, probably when we're at Panera or at Publix, but see y'all soon. We got our lunch at Panera. I got the Asian sesame chicken salad and then a grilled caprese sandwich and a raspberry sweet tea. Bridget's back.
Time to eat. I'm starving.
Eat.
Megan and I just got done with the airport. I flew in from Chicago and my flight was great. It was actually nice and smooth. Megan picked me up in our rental car, so she's driving right now. We did run to Publix and got some water and iced tea. We just had a nice little lunch at Panera, and we're currently on our way to Coronado Springs, which is where we're staying for our Disney trip this time. So we will catch you soon, but we're on the road and we're gonna be there shortly. All right, it's May 16th. We are coming up to the Walt Disney World sign. Also, Morgan Wallen just dropped an album this morning, and so Megan and I are jamming out. But we're here. 3, 2, 1. Yay!
We're here.
Alright guys, we just pulled into Coronado Springs. This is where we'll be staying for our Disney trip. This is the hotel lobby. Just coming through.
Okay.
But we have arrived and our Disney trip is starting. This is Grandestino.
Should I try this? Yeah, so we just got here. The tower is literally right there, and we're in Cabanas 8C. Do you know what our room number is? Let's see. I know we're on the first floor, which is nice, but like look how close. We literally are like right around the corner from the tower, which is so nice. So walking around to our room. Yeah, so it looks like we're gonna be down here, which, so when I park, I'll just try to park like
Over in that
here or over.
corner.
29. Let's see, 30. Is it gonna literally be by this laundry bin? Or is it around the corner? Oh, let's see. Yeah, 8833, yeah. Says this way. So we're still, I was hoping we were gonna be on that front stretch.
Right, same.
But it might actually be nice because then there's not gonna be a lot of people walking down here. 8833. 88.
83.
Oh, it's 8883.
I think so, right? I probably said 333 or 833 earlier. Hang on.
Pause. Do 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 do.
Show remember. 8883.
We're 8883. Yeah, so we're gonna want to park on this end
Correct.
over here. Oh, I didn't
There are
know.
elevators.
I didn't know if there were elevators or not.
Most don't have them.
Hope you guys are enjoying. Oh my gosh. So we
are
are.
in the front. We were just further
We
down.
were just further down. This is day in the life. This is what two redheads on a trip to Disney.
This is what we did last
This is
time
what we
too. I was
did.
like, just go on a little trip to find our room. Okay, just further down.
Okay, almost there. So this is our room.
I'll let you
8883.
I did it last year. Okay. Our last trip. So
The best part.
I'll give you the. Let you do it this year.
Got a little mark on the door. Oh, it's a corner room, Bridget.
Ooh, so it's gonna be big.
Welcome, Walt Disney World guest.
Holy cow,
Where are our
that's
names?
Should I turn the lights on?
Yeah, I mean, we didn't even pay for a preferred room, and we still got like a preferred room. How do those guys turn on? Oh my gosh. Wait, this is sad though that it doesn't say our names.
I know. I was like, what the heck?
It's like a rainfall shower in here. Like, wait, that's so nice. And we have 2 sinks, which is gonna be so nice because we're 2 women
So nice.
on a trip.
So you don't have to share.
So you don't have to share, but yeah, this is just our standard 2 queen or 2 double beds. I don't even know, but oh, it's a Keurig. Fancy. Do they have? Oh, they have the Walt Disney World.
Should we ask Disney to start the magic?
Yes, do
Hey,
it.
Disney, start the magic. Oh, it's on mute. Hey Hey Disney, start the music.
Oh no, he's gonna start singing. No, no, no. Ready? Bridget's gonna do bed test because I can't this year.
Bed test.
Oh, the pillows.
Comfortable.
We're gonna go get our suitcases, unpack, and then head to Typhoon Lagoon. You know what I just noticed? There's a legit fan in here.
There is. That's kind of really nice.
That's so nice. Yeah, so we have a corner room too, if I didn't mention that.
Medicine.
Just two girls unpacking because we don't want to feel like we're living out of a suitcase, but we're gonna press select. Look at our resort TV. 90 degrees, y'all. Friday, May 16th, 2025. Let's turn the volume up. This is just so amazing. Let's go Parks and More, maybe? Does that take us to like the rotating screen? No.
Join Chef Remy and race through the bustling